Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this is the look that I did. And this is an eyeshadow tutorial. I went ahead and used a palette that I haven't used in a long time and used colors that I don't even reach for, and I came up with this very cool tone look. But it's vampy and it's very fall is coming up. So this is the look that I came up with. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, and that'll let you know every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I'm starting off with LA Girl Concealer in Chestnut as a base from my shadow. Now without setting the area, I'm going to go into my Tarteiest Pro palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Fierce. And first I'm just going to pat this into my crease. And then I'm going to start blending in circular motions, kind of bringing it upwards. I'm also going to apply it to the inner corner, the outer corner, I'm sorry. I'm taking another fluffy brush, and with that same shade, and I'm just going to use it to kind of blend out the edges. I'm going back into that first brush that we used to just pack on some more. Next I'm going to take the shade Vamp, which is, it's like a blackish purple, this shade right, and then this is going to go on my outer corner as well and into the crease. Going back into that Fierce shade, blending out the edges. Next I'm going to take my NYX waterproof, it's an eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to apply a little bit to my lid, and then I'm going to pat it to blend out. And I'm just focusing this on the bare lid. I'm going to go back in with the brush I used for that black and purple to just kind of go over it so I won't have a harsh line with the primer. I'm going to take my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. I'm going to go into this shade. It's called Profesh, and it's like a brown mauvey color. And I'm just placing this into the middle of my lid, kind of dragging it in the beginning of my lid. I'm gonna go into this shade. It's called Indie, and I'm just using a flat brush, and I'm gonna apply this in the beginning of my lid. Next, I'm going to take the shade Bold, which is this one. It's right next to the previous shade we used. And I'm going to apply this to my brow bone for the highlight. For my eyeliner, I'm going to take the shade Punk. I turned the palette upside down so you can see it better. And I'm going to run this on my lash line. This is my NYX waterproof eyeshadow primer. I applied that kind of heavily because my eye tends to water. I'm going to blend that out with my finger. I'm going to take that same small brush and go right under my lower lash line. I'm going to stop it about right there. I'm going to take one of my Urban Decay Vice. This is the Urban Decay Vice 2 brush. And I'm going to go into Vamp. And I'm just going to run that under my lower lash line. So I didn't show the clip, but the shadow that I'm placing in the inner corner is from the same palette, and it's the shade Vintage. I use my Rollerball Illuminator, and this is in the shade Lilac. I'm just gonna roll it. I always do little by little, and I like patting it and blending it in with my finger. In my inner corner, I have this white shade. I'm coming out with another loose Glam dust, and I haven't really posted it online. Well, I did post it, but I did it black and white, so you can't really tell. But I'm gonna use it on my inner corner. So if you guys follow me on one of my Instagrams, my business Instagram, then you will see a sneak peek, you know, of the shade that's about to come out. So I'm gonna use it on my inner corner. So you guys, that is all for this eyeshadow tutorial. If you guys liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And also click the notification bell so you can see my future uploads. And that's all for this video. And I'll talk to you guys in my next